Welcome back to another Crazy Horse Studios kayaking adventure. Today we're in beautiful Crystal Rivers, Florida, headed out to Three Sisters Springs and then over to some of the other local springs. So let's get to it. There are more than 70 springs in the Crystal River area and hundreds in the Kings Bay area. Three Sister Springs are thought to possess healing properties for humans, as well as serve as a critical survival mechanism for manatee in the area, as it is an important warm water refuge during cold weather. The constant flow of warm spring water keeps manatees safe from the cold temperatures, which can cause them stress and even death. And in case you were wondering, yes, there are alligators and snakes at the springs. And yes, there are bull and tiger sharks occasionally spotted in Crystal River as well. After a brief paddle through Kings Bay, we arrive at the spring head for Three Sisters Springs. There's a little bit of a traffic jam here, but that's nothing uncommon for this spring as it is super popular and it is mid-morning. This area fills up pretty quickly. Once we get through the little bit of a traffic jam, we're off to paradise. Three Sisters is about the size of 2 football fields, roughly. Varying depths. Lots of folks just waddling through the water. A mix of kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, snorkelers, and swimmers. In many ways, Three Sister Springs is very much like a huge outdoor picnic area on the water. Oh, here's a kayaking buddy of mine.
No, I haven't. I didn't see that
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say I'm set up
you're
TV
doing live.
and
Yeah, no, you're good.
So good. You want me to splash you?
I was in earlier. Thank you. Nothing but smiles coming in and out of here. Yes. There's something about the springs that brings out the best in people. Well, we're gonna head back over to Pete's Marina and then maybe on the other side of the marina have lunch on the water and then who knows what.
I just wanna
been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
Truth is, I just wanna Truth is, I just wanna
How you doing?
Good. I like your idea.
I know, right?
That is sweet.
Pretty genius.
Yeah, right.
All right, folks, it looks like we found a spot to have lunch on the water and then perhaps take a dip in the 72-degree water over there.
I'm hoping.
As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe below, and we'll see you out on our next adventure.